What's up, people? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to another Wise Family 5. Guys, this one is another one for the books. So make sure you guys are ready, guys. Today, y'all, I'm gonna be acting ratchet. Yeah.
The man upstairs. Get the youth, I go make way. Get the youth, I go get paid. Now everything's turned up. We are come from nothing. Still ain't made it, but we still have some. Me and my friend at my party, and we see like nana. Give your praises, I'm still have some. Another day, another chance to make a killing. Another way, another plan to make a million. Talking bang, can you hear me? I agree, couple songs with it. I'm in too deep, too close to quit.
Y'all heard it. Mama T is about to be ratchet today. So I'm going to act ratchet to see how my family reacts. So I actually already have an outfit on. Let me show y'all. This is my ratchet outfit for today. I know it's not really that ratchet, but for me, you know, it's short, it's kind of revealing, so to me this is the best it's going to get. So guys, before we get into this, make sure you guys are subscribed to us. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscription button. Make sure you guys are already following us on Facebook as well as Instagram. Make sure you find me, Miss Peaceful Ambition, also on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Also Daddy Wise Dance Hall Critics, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And our baby Akira's View. Don't forget about her. Guys, we're going to get into this. Ratchetness starts now. Alright, y'all. So I changed. I got some flip-flops on. I got my outfit, as y'all saw already. And I was going to do my hair, but I just decided to wrap it up. So this is how I look right now, y'all. So we're going to go downstairs and we're going to see if Daddy Wise is ready. And we're going to hit the road. This is how I'm going to be talking today because this is my ratchet voice. And whoever don't like it, I don't know what to tell them. So let's go downstairs and let's see what Daddy Wise is doing. Come on, Tinky. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. Daddy Wise, is you ready?
What's up, man?
Is you ready?
Yeah.
Here, hold this. I want you. Get me on film.
Yeah.
My outfit.
You okay? What the?
Is you ready? You like my outfit, don't you?
Oh.
I ain't do my hair because I figured, you know, it's just too much. So I'm just gonna keep it wrapped up.
You alright?
What you think about my outfit? And I put a little baby oil on my legs.
Oh. Oh. You alright?
I'm better than I'm good, honey. Is you ready? Didn't you say we're going to Walmart?
Alright. Okay.
Get these little kids. Get these kids. Akira, Tayden, Talani. It's too hot for all this. Come on, we going to the store. Like, what's up?
Alright.
Is you ready?
You okay? You ain't alright, man. Something wrong with you.
Good.
You got up. I don't know. Is mommy okay?
What you looking at?
Is mommy okay? Like, Kira came down, look at her mom like, mommy must have hit her head or something. What'd you say?
I'm gonna put my shoes on.
Huh?
Why is she like that?
Hold up.
Why is she acting? Oh my god.
What you mean? Acting like what?
Oh my
Oh, you want to put me on film?
Oh.
I look good, y'all. I look good.
So why you acting all ratchet? Like
What are you talking about? I'm normal. Like, this is the way that I woke up. This is the way that I'm going to be today. So I don't know what to tell you.
something.
Is we going or what? Aren't we going to the store?
I want to ratchet this. It's what is in my house.
Let's go.
Alright, I'll go on the road soon.
Let's go. I'm ready.
Maybe by the time we touch the road, you know, blah, snap out of it. What's alright to this? Is it?
My hair is itching. I'm ready. Let's go. Let's go, people.
What you say?
Let's go. Come on. I'm waiting too long. I got places to go, people to see.
Uh-oh.
What is you looking at?
Don't worry.
Alright guys, so tell me what y'all think. Y'all think I'm being ratchet or not? I had to pull myself away because I'm about to laugh, but I don't want them to know that I'm acting. I'm just gonna make it seem like this is the way that I woke up today and this is the way that I'm feeling. So we're gonna carry on with it, y'all. Just bear with me. Hopefully I don't laugh. I'm being character all day like I said. So Daddy Wise is playing music right now. I'm about to go out there and start just twerking and acting ratchet because y'all know I can't dance. Y'all know that's not even in my personality to be so loud and everything, but today it is. Let's go. This my song.
Hey, yeah. Hold on, I'm sure. Yeah, go on. Oh, yeah, right.
I tried to do a split, but that don't matter.
Okay, alright. Oh, snap. Okay, alright.
Come on, I'm ready to go. Enough of this dancing. I'm gonna sweat my press out. So.
They say you finna switch your perm out, huh? Yeah.
Come on, kids. Come on, let's go. Yeah.
Is mommy okay?
Don't look at me like that, little girl. I'm resting to go.
What you gotta say about mommy? How mommy acting?
Where's my purse? Let me go get my purse. This is ratchet. Girl.
Where's that, girl?
She's acting more ratchet.
Really? So she always ratchet, huh? She always ratchet.
Alright people, so we finally out the house and we about to go to the store now. We about to go to Wally World and I need to go to the post office because I want to check a few things. So we gon' I know you ain't playing my song. I know you ain't playing my song. Hold it.
What's that?
Hey, this my song, baby. Why you keep playing my song?
Hey, I swear, people, I swear, I'm convinced something wrong with my wife today. Don't know where she depend, but me just go and work with it. I'm just dealing with it because it's not really a problem. It's just kind of like, what's going on? It's kind of weird because she's not. Oh.
Too much booty, I know.
Oh man, okay. Hey, on that shit drink mad post piss. You know, Jamaicans have a saying, never say, boy, you can actually carry it, you know. Babe, did you jump on the
I just woke up and I feel good today, y'all. I feel good.
Alright, well.
I woke up like this.
Hey, what is that, man? So there now.
Oh, sorry,
I the whole day something this? It look like, I make it look like the whole day something. It's a whole day thing this. Alright, sit here. I'm sure now. The thing I go on, I don't know.
Woo, y'all, I'm sweating. Let me stop before I sweat my press out. I told y'all earlier I can't be sweating my press out. So yeah, people, we about to, This my part. How you feel, Daddy Wise?
I feel good.
You feel good? I feel good too, boo-boo. Alright, y'all. Next, we're gonna be at Wally World or maybe the post office, whatever. It don't even matter. Let's just go. It's so hot in here.
So people there at Walmart I grab a few things. And I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what got into my wife this today, right baby?
Today, yes. Today she's acting like crazy, twerking everywhere. I don't know what's wrong with her.
Look. Ain't nothing wrong with me. I'm good. This is just, like I said, the way that I woke up today. So y'all gonna have to deal with it. What? God, these kids. I don't know where you get these kids from. Bro.
Good. You alright, baby?
I'm good, you alright? Let's find these rides.
She was scratching her.
May I help you? Talani feeling me. Alright, let's get this one right here. What you think, Andre?
No, that's too weird.
Well, so guys, me just showing what me I talk about, you know. Is it me? I don't know what's wrong with my wife. Don't know what's wrong with her. But I think she's just playing. She probably just playing. Cause if not,
Just playing. Today she's acting crazier than me.
What's wrong?
Mommy just farted.
What? Oh snap! So that's a part of the ratchet. So yo, she just left a stink bomb right or so.
I mean, she farts for like.
Oh man, I mean, me not say she can't fart, you know.
Look, everybody do it. That's why I walked away, because I ain't want an announcement. But this little boy, all up in my
Your little
business.
Uchi mama, yeah, your little Uchi mama outfit and stuff.
Yes, I look good. I know.
Camel toe and nipple, everything.
Mama 3, what you mean?
The
I
whole
look good.
thing.
You
Shit.
got it from it. What you,
Okay, alright.
like I said it.
I don't know what you trying.
He smelled it because he
Look
stepped
at you. Look at you. Look at you.
I smell it.
Boy, bye.
I like-
Bye. Guys, like I said, this is the way that I woke up. This is the way that I am today. I don't know what's going on with my family, but yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Guys, look at this lady. What the freak is she doing? Oh my gosh.
No, just test them out. See if they, you know, if they working and stuff.
So ratchet. Oh my god.
So, oh, you know.
Yeah.
All right, so
Hot
people,
stuff.
we finally done with Walmart. We finally done for that. We about to go back home. Little boy, come
Oh.
on inside, little boy.
All right,
We
take
about
time
to
with
go
him
back
then.
home now. He don't be
Move back
listening.
here. I carry her.
So, come on.
She's crazy.
Sorry. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. It was me, TT, and Daddy, I gotta tell you something. So I didn't just wake up this way, Daddy. This is actually a prank, just to let you know. So I was trying to be ratchet
I
today,
figured.
and I think it worked.
I figured.
You figured? Yeah, you're right.
I figured it was something you were doing.
I mean, I was acting, but at the same time, I was having fun. So, guys, today you saw me be ratchet. Yeah, it might have not been really ratchet, but it's my ratchet. Guys, make sure you go ahead and find us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, Wise Family 5, as well as me, Miss Peaceful Ambition, as well as Akira's View. Don't forget our friends, the Amazing Johnsons. Guys, I enjoyed y'all today. Do I even sound ratchet? I don't think I sound ratchet.
No.
I sound country, right?
Hey, more una for tell me what una think. Oh y'all think she did. Leave y'all comment in the comment section and let us know how y'all think my wife did. It was just more so kind of like funny and like weird. If you see my wife, you know, ratchet, so to speak. Oh, whoa. Oh, hold
I'm
up.
ratchet. You can't tell me nothing.
All right.
Guys, make sure y'all hashtag TNT down below.